how do you choose from various cosmeceutical products that are available online? But what you need to understand is whether those products will be suitable for you. We have hundreds of these products, and that usage can cause more harm to your skin. That is why it is important that you take a consultation. Hello everyone, this is Dr.Jayanthy Ravindran, board certified plastic surgeon, and I specialize exclusively in aesthetic medicine and surgery, and I'm the founder of Tamira Life. Here today to explain to you how do you choose from various cosmeceutical products that are available online. Today, loaded with products, various celebrities, various influencers suggesting you to use different cosmeceutical products, be it niacinamide, vitamin C, sunscreen, copper peptide, so on and so forth. What you need to understand is that each one have their perspective of telling you the advantage and disadvantage of a product. But what you need to understand is whether those products will be suitable for you, and combining different products is appropriate, and buying same products from same brand, whether it would be beneficial, not beneficial, because there is a various variety of formulations. Now, if you look at the range of products there are more than 5-6 sunscreens, there are more than 5-6 moisturizers, there are serums, there are vitamin C serums, niacinamide serums, there are many more. We have hundreds of these products offline as well as online pharmacy portal, that is the www.tamirapharmacy.com, as well as physical pharmacy. We have hundreds of them. That doesn't mean that all of these 100 products will be suitable for anybody who buys it. Not so. That is why it is important that you take a consultation, even to you understand what sort of a shampoo that will be suitable for your hair or the scalp. And even dandruff, it's not that any dandruff shampoo could be suitable for you, and also the moisturizer, sunscreen, serum. Yes, by and large, you need to use a face wash, some moisturizer, some sunscreen. This is the basic of a morning skin routine, and probably a night cream, depending on what particular condition or problems in the skin that we are trying to treat with regards to you. So it's very important that you understand that there are loads of products available on the social media, and each products would talk about the benefit of them. And yes, all of these 100 products will have some advantage, disadvantage. They come in different price ranges. It's just like you have let's say you take a cosmetic products, you have something in Lakme range, you have something in Revlon, and then you have MAC range. So you have different ranges. You can have foundation from all three, and it doesn't mean that the foundation from all three are the same. Similarly, in a skincare range as well, you will have some products of a lower range cost, and you have something medium range cost, and something expensive. The difference is the formulation. When you choose very expensive brand, it's not just the cost. Probably the formulation is such that the ingredients used are of very high quality, and thereby it gives a consistent result in everyone who uses the product. However, when you choose a product with a lower range, probably it will give a good result in 80% of the patient, and 20% it may not give. That's why there is a price range. It's based on the formulation, and formulations will depend on the quality of ingredients that are used in the product. So please understand, there are loads and loads of product. It can be niacinamide, it can be just a pure form, combination in some products, and because each of them will have combination of products. If you just blindly buy from online, probably you are using the same ingredient in multiple levels in your skincare, and that usage can cause more harm to your skin. I do see time to time patients who look at these influencer advisors and use certain products and end up to the clinic with some skin burns or some rashes or some redness. That's because it would have worked well for them, but that does not mean it will work for you. So some of these products which are of lower range can be used in any skin type but may not deliver the same result in all of them. It may not harm you, but you may not get great result. But there are some products which will give great results but has to be used with a professional's guidance because it can cause some skin problems if not used rightly. Same is the case for various chemical peels. So please, when you're interested to get a proper skincare routine or a hair, how to choose the shampoo or a conditioner or a leave-on serum, or if you have dandruff, the right choice of anti-dandruff shampoo, it is better to consult a professional who specializes in this, get you the right sort of products that would suit your skin, and then you can continue to buy them online from whichever source that is available for you. Thank you.